Our bodies are capable of incredible feats of strength, power, and agility, all thanks to the intricate workings of our muscles. Muscles are fascinating tissues that have the unique ability to contract and generate force. This force allows us to move our limbs, lift objects, and even maintain our posture. Muscle contraction is a complex process that involves a fascinating interplay between the nervous system and the muscular system. It all starts with a signal from the brain. The brain sends an electrical impulse down the spinal cord and through motor neurons. Motor neurons are specialized nerve cells that connect to muscle fibers. When the electrical impulse reaches the neuromuscular junction, the point where the motor neuron meets the muscle fiber, it triggers the release of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine binds to receptors on the muscle fiber, initiating a cascade of events that ultimately leads to muscle contraction. This process, from brain signal to muscle contraction, happens in a fraction of a second, allowing for smooth, coordinated movements. When we challenge our muscles with resistance training, we are essentially forcing them to adapt and become stronger. This adaptation process is what leads to muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy. Muscle growth doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that involves microscopic damage to muscle fibers followed by repair and growth. When we lift weights or engage in other forms of resistance training, we create tiny tears in our muscle fibers. This may sound alarming, but it's actually a crucial part of the muscle growth process. These microscopic tears signal the body to initiate a repair process. The immune system kicks into gear, sending specialized cells to the damaged muscle tissue. These cells help to remove debris, reduce inflammation, and initiate the repair process. As the muscle fibers are repaired, they are rebuilt stronger and larger than before, leading to an increase in muscle size and strength. One type of muscle contraction that is particularly effective at stimulating muscle growth is eccentric contraction. Eccentric contractions occur when the muscle lengthens under tension. For example, during the lowering phase of a bicep curl, the biceps muscle is contracting eccentrically. Eccentric contractions cause more muscle damage than concentric contractions, which is why they are so effective for promoting muscle growth. Muscle growth is a demanding process that requires the right nutrients and hormonal environment. When it comes to building muscle, protein is crucial. Protein provides the building blocks, amino acids that are essential for muscle repair and growth. Without enough protein, our bodies would struggle to repair the microscopic damage caused by exercise. Hormones also play a vital role in muscle growth. Testosterone, often associated with masculinity, plays a crucial role in both men and women for muscle growth. Another important hormone is insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1. IGF-1 promotes muscle protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies use amino acids to build new muscle proteins. It's important to note that while supplements can provide these nutrients and influence hormone levels, a balanced diet and regular exercise remain the most effective ways to support muscle growth. While challenging our muscles and providing the right nutrients are essential for muscle growth, rest is equally important. During rest, our bodies repair muscle tissue and replenish energy stores. Age, gender, and genetics also influence muscle growth. Muscle growth is most robust during adolescence and early adulthood. Men generally have greater potential due to higher testosterone levels, but women can also achieve significant growth. Genetics play a role, with some having a higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers. In conclusion, consistently challenging our muscles, proper nutrition, and rest are key to maximizing muscle growth.